His parents were eating pumpernickel bread and he thought it was chocolate. Because everything was chocolate and it was brown. And he took 2 bites of it and they started crying and they're like, what's wrong? Chocolate, no, it's not chocolate.
So cute.
Pumpernickel bread, he thought it was chocolate. He says to this day still hates it. Still doesn't like
Pumpernickel?
bread.
I love
He
pumpernickel
says,
bread.
I guess if I hadn't have thought it was chocolate, I probably wouldn't have been so upset about it. But
Scarred him for life.
started with that.
Hey, where are you going? she always wants to see. Take in a second. Look, see?
Wait.
What?
With me.
No. Eat your ice cream.
With me. Wait.